All right, my friends, Andrew back once again, and in this video, we're going to be discussing ELMessenger Pro's Engage features and how to set them up, what each of the settings mean, and how they work with your posts. So in order to set this up, you will first need a post that you're going to be targeting. We're going to be using the back office for our demonstration, and you will need, of course, before that will show up, you'll need in here inside of a Facebook post that you have created either in a group or on your personal profile, have set that up here under the Engage settings. Now, when you open this up, this is going to open this menu here, which is identical to the way that you will set it up in the back office. It's just easier to see. So we're going to travel over here to the ELMessenger Pro back office. We're going to go to Engages, and you will see here that we have 2 Engages currently set up in this account. And of course, we have our 9-step segment here. This is an engagement post asking people to comment 9 steps for anybody who'd be interested in receiving a free video training about the 9 steps that we follow every single day in order to be to accomplish what we are able to accomplish in our online business. So the first thing is a title. This is going to be something that's specific to you so that you can remember what this post is about. So free software, 9 steps, whatever the case might be there. This pause will pause for 5 minutes after X amount of comments. So the software will automatically comment to reply to 5 comments on the post and then pause for 5 minutes and then continue to comment for 5 more comments and then pause for 5 minutes. The goal behind that is to help you get engagement on your post over a period of time to help you really increase the organic reach of that. So the more people who are commenting on your post and the longer period of time those comments are being posted, the more that edge ranking goes out and the more your post will reach additional members of your friends list and, of course, sometimes their friends list. So the next thing here are the tag for the people that have replied with the keyword. Now, remember, ELMessenger Pro's Engage feature will automatically reply to the comment for a person who comments with the keyword that you are targeting or does not reply with the keyword. It replies with anything other than the keyword. So in this particular case, you are going to put a tag for the person who replied with the keyword. That's going to trigger your workflows and your campaigns. If you're going to be using the CRM features with your engagement posts, is going to be able to do a lot of that. So this right here is going to be the tag that you're going to have for people who do reply with the keyword. This also means it's important before you set this up in order for you to go in and create those replies. So whenever a person comments, the software will automatically reply to that person with whatever you have in this tag set. So you'll be able to set that up. Sending direct messages to people who reply with the default and or the target. Okay, so the target is your keyword. Say, for example, in this particular case, our keyword is 9 steps. So a person would comment 9 steps or any variation that we have down here in the keywords, and the software would then automatically trigger this tag action to take place. Now, the default is if they just comment anything else or reply to anything else. So these are 2 different settings that we'll have inside of the software. So here you want to select the default message template. This is going to be the default message for the people who are sent that message in their messenger. So if they reply the keyword, the software is going to automatically comment on their reply and then send them a direct message triggering either a link or giving them kind of like a call to action to take another step in order to achieve what it is that they were seeking to achieve. Now, your keywords here are going to be the different types of keyword variations that you're going to notice that people are typing. And sometimes people will type them differently. So what you'll do is if you notice that there's a trend of people typing them a little bit differently than what the software is recognizing, you can just simply come here to your keywords and you can add in additional keywords as you go along the way with that post. Now, target reply comment, this one right here is going to reply to the person who has the targeted keyword. So in other words, this right here, this tag is going to be applied to the person. It's going to send a message to that person based off that tag setting. And then of course, it's also going to reply to that person as well. So here you get the opportunity of being able to set that target reply comment, and you'll be able to create distinct comments for people who have commented with either the keyword or the non-keyword comments. Down here, you're going to be able to see to reply to the default comment. If you check this box, you're going to notice that that box down here will go away or come back. And this again is an optional setting. If you wanted to reply to people who did not comment with the keyword. So for example, if the keyword is 9 steps and I say, hey, I love this post, you wouldn't necessarily want to comment, or maybe you would want to comment. It doesn't matter because it's still engagement. Your goal is to get that post in front of as many eyeballs as possible. And this feature is going to help you do that at the same time. Be able to trigger some actions in the back end using the CRM functionality as well. So these are the basic settings. And of course, here you'll be able to save that. Up here at the top right, you can delete this particular engagement. You can view the post that it is related to. And of course, you can click the start button, which will activate the software on that particular post. I'm not going to get into details in this particular video about what each of these and how to set this up. That is for another video. This is just to go over the basic settings so you can get a firm understanding of ELMessenger Pro's setup so that when you are going and creating your first engagement post, it is a little bit easier for you. So in the next video, we're going to be discussing how to set up an engagement post. I'll see you in that video.